Okay, this is going to be a video on two variable systems of inequalities. Okay, just like the ones at the beginning of this unit, what we have to do is graph the lines. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start at that y-intercept of -4. What that slope means is 2 up, 1 right. So up 2, 1 right. Okay. This one, I want to start up 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's a
2, 6, 8, 7.
Okay, so that's going to be 5 down, 1 right.
8, 7. Thank you.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 right. Okay, now this one will be a solid line. Okay, so now once I get those, okay, I can go ahead and go to Desmos, okay, and I can type those in. All right, now what I'm going to see in Desmos here, okay, what I'm going to see in Desmos is I'm going to see, all right, I got 2x minus 4, that's one shading, okay, and I click down to this one, y less than or equal to -5x plus 3, that's another shading. Now, you'll see 3 parts are shaded, red, light blue, dark blue. We want to pick the darkest region, which will be right there. The darkest region is the answer, okay? So make sure you know that. Darkest region is the answer. All right? Let's do another one together, okay? So I would start at this one. That's up 6, okay? Then that's going to be 1 down, 5 right. Okay? So 1 down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right. Okay, that would be a solid line. Okay? This one I'm going to start at 1. So then I'm going to go 4 up, 3 right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, this will be a dashed line. Okay? And now what I want to do is I want to put that into Desmos. Okay? Okay, and I'll put the first one in. Okay, put the second one in. As you can see, you might need to zoom out a little bit. Okay, I got light purple, green, dark purple. So that dark purple answer right here, that's my solution. Okay? All right, so you have 4 regions to pick from. It's got to figure out which one it is. Okay? It's got to figure out which one it is. Like this one. Okay. All right, so I got this. I would start at -3. Okay, this is 1 over 1, which means 1 up, 1 right. So 1 up, 1 right. Okay, that would be a dashed line through there. Okay, this I'm going to start at 1. This is going to be up 7 to the right 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2. Okay, and then that's going to be a solid line. Okay, so you could have stuff like that. All right, so you can see it's a sort of a tight window there, but I think you can make it work. Okay, so I got y less than x, or 1x if you want to call out 1x. Okay, minus 3, y less than or equal to 7 over 2 x, okay, plus 1. Okay, as you can see that, gray, red, dark red. So that answer would be right here. Okay. Okay, let's go do another one. Here I would start up 2. Okay, that's -1 over 1, which means 1 down, 1 right. So 1 down, 1 right. Okay, that would be a dashed line through those points. Okay, this would be down 4. Okay, that's 1 up, 2 right. So 1 up, 1, 2 right, and that would be a solid line. Okay, once again, I'm going to Desmos. Okay, all right, y greater than -1x plus 2, y greater than or equal to 1 divided by 2 x minus 4. Okay, darkest region is right here. Okay, all right, moving on to the next one. Now, this is a combination of those ones where x and y are on the same side. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to set 2x equal to 10, divide by 2, I would get x equals 5. Take negative 5 equaling 10, divide by negative 5. I get y equals negative 2. Okay, so I got x is 5, y is negative 2. Okay, since that's got that kind of line, it's a solid line and a terrible job drawing my line. Okay, just draw your line nice and big. Okay, now this one would just be x equals 3, y equals 3. Okay, x equals 3, y equals 3. That would be a dashed line. Okay, same concept. I want to go to Desmos, pick out the darkest shaded area. 2x minus 5y less than or equal to 10. X plus y less than 3. Okay, gray, all right, blue, dark. Okay, all right. So that's how simple those are. Okay, let's do a couple more. All right. So here's another one. I got 3x equals 12, 4y equals 12. Divide by 3. I got x equaling 4. Divide by 4. I got y equaling 3. So 4 for x, 3 for y. Okay. All right. Well, let me take these out. I don't know why those are there. All right, so that would be a dashed line through those points. Okay, this I would set x equaling 5. That's going to be negative 1, y equaling 5. That's already fine there. I divide that by negative 1. If you want to put a 1 here and divide by 1, that's fine, just so you know what to stay consistent with. X is 5, y is negative 5. That's going to be a solid line. Okay, all right. Once again, go into Desmos, 3x plus 4y greater than 12. Okay, x minus y less than or equal to 5. Okay, once again, light blue, dark, you can see the darkest area is right there, which would be there. Okay, a couple more. Okay, all right, let's do a couple more of these together. So I got x equals 8, that's pretty easy. If you want to put a 1 there, you can. So x equals 8, 4y equals 8, divide by 4, got y equals 2. Okay, so 8, 6, 7, 8, 2, that's going to be a solid line. All right, this one, I'm going to go 3x equal 15, negative 5y equal 15, divide by 3, divide by 3, x is 5, divide by negative 5, y is negative 3. So x being 5, y being negative 3, that is going to be a dashed line. You just got to read it, which one it is, and then let Desmos do the work. Okay, x plus 4y less than or equal to 8. Okay, 3x minus 5y greater than 15. Okay, all right, now if I zoom out a little bit, I can see darkest region will be down in here. Okay, one more. This is a combination of the x and y being on the same side and a standard slope-intercept form line. So I got 2x equals 20, divide by 2, I got x equals 10, negative 4y. I don't know why it's doing that. All right, that's weird. Equals 20. Okay, I would want to divide by negative 4. Okay. All right, divide by negative 4. I get y equaling negative 5. Okay. All right, so I got x is 10. I got y is negative 5. Okay, that is going to be a solid line. I don't know why those things are showing up up there like that. Okay, this one, I want to start at -4. Okay, this would mean 3 over 1, so 3 up, 1 right. So 1, 2, 3, 1 right. This would be a dash line. Okay, so I use my Desmos. I don't know why that's doing that. Okay, so I use my Desmos and put in 2x minus 4y greater than or equal to 20. And then I go y less than 3x minus 4. Okay, you can see the darkest region would be in that corner. So I would be shaded down in here. I don't know why my I don't know what's going on. All right, that's going to be right there. Okay? Now, it says, which of the following would be the best solution, all right, for these graphs? So what you want to do, okay, is you want to figure out what those are. All right? Okay?
Good afternoon, pioneers. It's that time again. You need to be under the direct supervision of an adult teacher, coach, or sponsor at this time, please. Everyone in the building should be under the direct supervision of an adult teacher, coach, or sponsor at this time. If you're waiting on a ride or you're not with someone, you need to come to the boat at this time. Thank you so much. Have a great afternoon.
Okay, so what you would have here, okay, so once again, I apologize for my computer screen. I don't know what's going on, all right? So what I would do here, I don't know why that's doing that. It's like my screen is frozen. Okay, all right, so what I would want to do what I'm going to do is I would try to pick out, okay, all right, where these points are in relation, okay, to the darkest area. So if I see this darkest area here, what I want to do is I want to